Okay, example 4 gets into the simplification with i's being raised to power. So this goes back to our little I1 rule. So I to the first, I to the second, I to the third, I to the fourth. You just start off there every time. And it goes just like this. I1, minuses in the middle. So just like that, you get your rule. There's your pattern. Right? So if I see I to the first, it's I to the first. I squared is -1. I cubed is negative I to the fourth is 1. And a final answer on an imaginary problem will never have an I bigger than the first power. It's either going to have I to the first power or it's going to have a real number. It's not going to have I to any power except for the first power if i's exist at all. Looking at this problem, we have 2ii, better known as 2i squared, is 2 times -1, because that's what I squared equals, which becomes -2. Right? So if they don't write it in power form, you can create power form. I is I squared, and then go from there. This one right here, I got -3. I is the same as I cubed. I cubed, we can see, is equal to -I, so we have -3 times -I. Again, this is better than that because this is not to a power. And any powers of I need to be dealt with. That's how you deal with it. And then -3 times -I makes +3i. Be very cautious here. This is being multiplied by all this, so this is being multiplied by this, so this is being multiplied by this. So negative times negative makes a positive. Don't allow it to become a subtraction problem. Don't allow it to become -3 minus I. It's -3 times -I, which makes +3i. Looking at the next object, +2i. Perfect. So the things I have to fix, I'm going to fix. The things that I don't have to fix, I'm going to bring down. Okay. Next thing, -4. Perfect. No problems, right? The final piece, minus the square root of -4. So it's minus I times the square root of 4, right? Square root of 4 equals 2, so we're going to minus 2i out of that. So each individual object needs to be fixed based on these properties here. The algebra of I, right? That's what it says on your yellow sheet of paper. Once you get everything down to either a real number or an I to the first power, then you simply add and subtract like terms. -2 minus 4 is -6. +3i plus 2i minus 2i equals +3i.